Hi everyone, Librarian Jennifer here with another episode of STEAM at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool rubber band shooter. So stick around and I will show you what to do. Okay, to start, we'll have 2 pieces of regular construction paper, and I'm going to fold them maybe about 1/2 inch all the way down. Okay, I'm going to set that underneath something heavy to let it dry. Next, I'm gonna use a pen or pencil, whatever you have, and I'm going to make the barrel of my gun, roll it up. I'm gonna make 2 of these, and then just like before, glue that and put it under something heavy or rubber band it so it will dry. While those guys are drying, I'm going to make my trigger mechanisms. This is just a piece of paper I already have cut. It's 3 inches wide by 12 inches long. I'm going to fold that again about 1/2 inch wide. Next one, again, this one's about 3 inches by 12 inches. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm going to do only probably 5 inches, I think is enough. This guy's going to get folded in half. So once your pieces are all dry, you're going to connect, this is going to be your trigger, this is the longer piece, to the 2 little barrels that you made. Our trigger is movable. I might need to switch which side this is on. There we go, because we want the trigger to move like that. I'm going to glue my barrels together, but I'm going to leave enough room so this can still move. So don't glue right here. Next, we're going to take a little piece that we bent, and we're going to bend it. We're going to stick it right into the end of the barrels. Next, we're going to take the rectangle piece we folded and cut it in half at an angle. We're going to glue these together. This is going to be our handle. Now, if you want, while that's drying, you can make a small, like, trigger guard. While that's drying, I'm actually going to adjust my rubber band. You want the top of your trigger mechanism to be pointing towards the back of your shooter. There we go, that's better. Your rubber band shooter should be done. Let's give it a test. You hook it on the end of the folded tube that we have down there. You're going to hook it around your trigger mechanism. Get it pretty close to the top. And then, when you're ready, pull your trigger and there we go. This would be great for some target practice at some cups. Just make sure you do not point it at other people because it will hurt them, and that's not cool. All right, so this was Librarian Jennifer signing off for this week for STEAM at Home. If you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are on Facebook, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're creating at home. And as always, don't forget to pick up your STEAM to Go kit at the library. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.